All right, everybody. Market's going to open in a minute or so, and like I said earlier, quite a flip-flop from about 12 hours ago, even, and the entire weekend. I look at this as perhaps an opportunity to be able to fade this rally back, this little rally back that we're getting. Until we see some sort of, I guess, empirical evidence or something tangible, I think you have to be a little bit on the defensive. We did put a couple longs on towards the end of the day on Friday that were very opportunistic. One was a sale of a put spread in Amazon, and one was a buy of a broken wing call fly in Apple. So definitely we'll evaluate those this morning. Those will for sure be going in our direction here.